Hi guys, it's Crystal from Merlin here, and I'm in the Merlin test bay to show you a really cool feature called Pet Mode. Now, this mode is also known as partial opening mode or ventilation mode. The mode can be used to set a predetermined opening point using a different button on your remote control to allow pets access in and out of the garage, or to simply allow ventilation into the room. Other applications can be used on really tall doors to set a secondary opening position to allow pedestrian access. Let's see how it works. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your door is fully closed. First, you're going to want to set your predetermined pet mode opening height. Press the normal remote control opening button on your remote. When you're happy with that position, you're going to want to hold down the up and program button on your motor until it flashes. Once your motor flashes, choose an alternative button on your remote to set as your pet mode button. Now we can test pet mode. Now, pet mode will activate when your door is fully closed using your pet mode button. Your normal open and close button will still open, stop and close the door as normal, but the pet button will now close the door completely and only open to pet mode. To delete pet mode out of your motor, it's the same process. Just hold in the up and program button in until your motor flashes. Once your opener has flashed, pet mode has been deleted out of your remote control. One additional thing to mention is that if you do delete remote controls out of your opener by holding down the S button, pet mode will also be deleted out of your motor. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time.